Very good.
Our scenario is on-the-job training, activities and learning within a work environment. And what we thought about is how students, when they go to college and they change majors quite often, or we have family members that have had that happen before. So how we experience the work environments. Am I close enough to this mic?
You're good. You're great.
I think so. All right. How do we experience these work environments at a younger age? And we thought about the advantages and disadvantages of what we thought about, and then we came up with the idea that we could have speakers come in. We could have students go to vocational schools, but we could also utilize technologies such as YouTube or name your video resource and find a library of videos that will provide you with on-the-site training. And we thought that that's a very good advantage because it's easily accessible and you should be able to use it on a daily basis, so the frequency happens quite often. And it's a great motivating factor for students every day.
You good?